Ultimately, for full automation to be successful, you need to develop trust in it. All the stakeholders need to have trust, especially the public. But you can't prove you're perfect because you operate in an open world. There will always be unknowns. And even if there weren't any unknowns and you got it perfect, the world will change tomorrow. Something different will happen tomorrow that has never happened before. The industry says they intend to achieve positive risk balance, which means safer than a human driver. It might need to be some multiple safer than a human driver. But in general, the argument is that if an automated vehicle is safer than a human driver, then it should be okay. But there's no human driver responsible in the autonomous or automated vehicles for the driving safety. And that leads to an issue of, yes, the manufacturer says it's safe, but do the other stakeholders really trust that that's the case? I advocate using a positive trust balance approach. And the idea is you need more than brute force testing to get the public to believe that you're really safe. I think you need engineering rigor, build it right, validation, test it right. You need to have field feedback, improve it right, and you need to have good safety culture, live it right. And in this talk, I want to concentrate on the field feedback because I think that's the difference between being able to deploy at scale successfully and having a great demo based on brute force testing that is hard to scale. Field feedback is an essential component to L4600, and the idea is to tie the field feedback into the safety case.